Experiencing constant disconnects or freezes with your Rogers Ignite or Xfinity TV box? You're not alone. Many users face these issues, often stemming from Wi-Fi problems, signal interference, or app glitches. Don't worry, we'll walk you through the most effective fixes. First, power cycle your box by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Check all cable connections, ensuring they're tight. Use the Xfinity or Rogers app to check your signal strength. Aim for a signal-to-noise ratio, SNR, between 30 to 40 dB. Weak signal? Consider using a signal booster. Now test your internet speed. If basic checks don't solve disconnecting or freezing issues, optimize your Wi-Fi setup. Place your TV box within 30 feet of the router to ensure strong signal strength. For best performance, connect to the 5 GHz band, which offers faster speeds and less interference compared to the 2.4 GHz band. Older TV boxes may work on 2.4 GHz, but often struggle with congestion. For maximum stability, Rogers recommends using an Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. Connect your TV box directly to the router with an Ethernet cable following the T568B wiring standard. This provides a reliable, interference-free connection that eliminates Wi-Fi-related disconnects. To prevent buffering during peak usage, configure Quality of Service QoS settings on your router. Access the router's web interface, enable QoS, and prioritize WAN traffic for your TV box. Set appropriate uplink and downlink speeds to ensure your TV streaming takes precedence over other devices on your network. App-related freezing can often be fixed by clearing the cache. For Rogers Ignite TV, access the app settings on your device and clear the cache to free up memory. Similarly, for Xfinity Stream, navigate to the app's storage settings and clear cache data. This prevents memory overloads that lead to disconnects. If you're experiencing disconnects with HDMI, it could be due to handshake failures between your TV box and display. Check for loose cable connections, power cycle both devices, update firmware on your equipment, and ensure your HDMI cables are compatible and undamaged. If these advanced fixes don't resolve the problem, try a factory reset of your TV box to clear any software corruption. Access the reset option through the box's settings menu. If the issue continues, contact Rogers or Xfinity customer support for personalized troubleshooting assistance.